Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, here we are back again. We are on our way home. So we are coming from like Achimota and we're going towards Insawam. So we are riding up here. We used to ride down there a long time ago. Now we're riding up here. They have some.
They're planting grass.
Oh yeah. You're right. That's good. It will help keep it from like coming down. The roots and everything. That's how they plant it in the U.S.
They have the black soil there. And they have planted the other side.
Wow. So they're planting grass. We have pavement over there. We're not riding on the pavement right now. They'll have to clean these gutters and, you know, they're going to pave it and it will be up to the level of that hole right there. They have a sidewalk up here. Wow. They're doing these little blocks for the sidewalk. They're putting the grass in. Nice. There's the grass. Huh. Interesting. So this will be the access road.
I think so.
Okay, now will be the main road going. And we're on the access road now. We have gutters. I don't know how far they'll be bringing the sidewalk, but it's nice that they're doing sidewalks. It is September 22nd, 2024, in case you guys are following along. So we got the water spraying going on, which is good. It's good for to keep the dust down. Yep. So that is what we got going on, guys. Wow. And you see this road, they'll have to bring it up to the level. See the bottom of the wall there? Yep, they'll have to bring it up. So there will be the pavers up here. And then that's where the water will go into that gutter. So they do have a good amount of work to do. And yeah, they will be working on it. And while they're working on this, we'll be riding on the pavement over on the other side of the wall there. So the water truck goes a little bit slow so it can get enough water down, I guess, to keep the dust down. For now, they're having to travel over there on the access area over there because, you know, you can't get over here right now. So they have to drive over there for the time being. And then when they get up a bit further, they can join this road. Yep, you're getting a car wash with dirty water whether you want it or not. You just gotta take it and go. This one's spraying it good. So they take the water from the local stream or whatever and fill the truck, and then the purpose of it is to keep the dust down because it's kind of dangerous when it's very dusty and you can't see worse than fog, just about. So here's where they can join if that's what they want to do. And there is the work going on over there. We see the street lights. That will probably be a checkpoint, I'm guessing, for the police. I think at night they have checkpoints a lot, to make sure everybody's okay. This is the big church up there. Jonte is the area we're in. There's that big church for a landmark. Done a lot. They got the street lights in. It's the Echo Block. For those of you who might want to see the sign, this is Poquassee Interchange. Supposed to use the overhead walkways, but since it's not totally blocked, even when they put the fence up, there's places they've taken the fence down or cut it open so they can walk through easy. So here we are again. Here's the big gutter and the small gutter over there. Not really doing a whole lot over there. They're doing more on this side from what I see.
Come on, you know better. I'm on the lane, and then you go to the other side.
Gotta drive in, guys. So there's what it's looking like. So you see how they did the big gutter and then the small gutter next to it. Now they've been compacting, you know, putting down filling and compacting this side over here. They have made the places where people can go over the gutters to access businesses or property. See right there. So this way is closed. We're going this way now. See the filling materials. And there's the end of the wall. They did. Yep, we're riding on the pavement again. This is how they get the water, guys. See it? So they mounted something in a pump from that waterway there, and they just pump it into the truck. So that will be the access road, and this will be the main road. 3 lanes. Looking like 3 lanes, which is nice. They have some temporary markings on there. So 3 lanes is nice. We'll keep traffic moving. Even if somebody's broke down in one, you still have 2 lanes to go through. So that is a blessing. The street lights are there. They've done a good job here. Done a good job. I think they still have to put more pavement on here to make it to the level so the water will flow out into the gutters. So you see how that would look? See how the gutters look, guys? See how they'll do the pavers? See how they do the pavers? And cover the gutter. So, yeah. That's how it is. Got the cellars here. So let's see what they've done up here. We'll get to see the progress on this little section. Oh wow, they make stairs out of the scaffolding. Huh, there's little pieces, they put them all together however they want to configure it. And it is, they have made stairs over there. You got their free workers. Okay, so they're getting somewhere with these pillars. Like I was saying, it looks like some of the ones at the Poquassee Interchange. So maybe this is where you'll enter and exit the highway portion. We'll have to wait and see. And they're getting the pillars done though. And there's another one that they're working on. Getting the forms up so they can pour the cement. And then, you know, this place is even good compared to what it used to be. Yup. But things are moving along quite nicely. The road is looking nice over there. So if you guys saw the previous video, we were riding on the asphalt there, and here we are again. It looks like this might be to the level that it's going to be, because it looks like the water can go out the holes. Or maybe they got to raise it up a little bit. There's half of the walkway, so I'm guessing when we're able to ride over here, they'll complete the walkway. See, they put something down on there. Maybe tar on top of the... It looks like what we would call crush and run in the States. That's what it looks like to me. In the middle there, and then maybe they put tar on top of it. So this will be the access road.
Or they do something on it for them to be able to walk.
Oh yeah. There is the China Mall. China Mall is not accessible from the road right now. You have to go to the other access road on the other side because the gutters are up. So you can't pass over there. This will be a bus stop, the way it's curved in. You see? Watch. See it come back out? So that will be the bus stop. And that's why they have speed bumps over there too. So you're not speeding when people are boarding and getting off of the public transportation. There's the Home Depot knockoff. We still haven't been there yet. Be nice to go there one day. Just see what they got. but the work is going on. It's really going on. Got the gutters, you see how they're gonna work on those. And then over there, they're still working. They got quite a bit of work to do right here. You see all the forms over there they're getting ready to use. Yeah, or I guess they probably used those, building that wall up. Starting to fill it in because that section will have to go up. Yep. There's the red, black, and yellow house. We will be seeing when they have the overhead walkway, it will be easier for them to cross. We'll see what's going on up here with this section. The wall is getting big. They still have some to do at the top. Moving along with this one, so that's where we'll be riding unless we're already on the access road. We'll have to see where we enter and exit the access or the main road. Yep. This is what it's looking like. It's looking really nice. They've gotten a lot done here. Gotten a lot done. They have all the wood and stuff they're using. Yup. They'll be filling all this in. I guess that maybe they'll put grass on the side here too. Wow. So they have to fill all this in as well. But you guys stay tuned to the channel for more updates, more videos. This is normally where we let you out. So thanks for riding with us. And till next time, God bless you.